Welcome to the Learn a Language channel. This is where you can improve your English with micro stories. Hi, I'm Emma, and today I'll tell you about the day I made dinner for my family. I made a shopping list and went to the store. At the store, I saw lots of fresh vegetables like colorful bell peppers, ripe tomatoes, cucumber, salad, and cabbage. I picked broccoli, potatoes, carrots, and garlic, which smell fantastic. It would make our meal tasty. I also got some chicken. I went to the checkout and the cashier asked, "Did you find everything you needed?" I smiled and said, "Yes, I have everything for a tasty dinner." Back home, I put the vegetables in the fridge. Then, I started with the chicken. I cleaned it and put it in the oven with oil, salt, and pepper. While it cooked, I prepared the vegetables. I cut the carrots, peeled the potatoes, and broke the broccoli into small pieces. I cooked the potatoes on the stove. Then, I boiled water and put all the vegetables in for 2 minutes to keep them crisp. The kitchen smelled delicious as the food cooked. When everything was ready, I set the table with plates, cups, knives, forks, and spoons. My family said, "Wow, Emma, you made a wonderful dinner." We all enjoyed the tasty food I made. I was proud and happy because I could help my family by making dinner. It was a great day in the kitchen. I hope you enjoyed my story, and I look forward to sharing another one with you next time. If you want to practice even more, here are some ideas for you.